Hey, I'm Kamala. Welcome to Culinary Cam. Today we are going to taste test the difference between vanilla bean paste and vanilla bean extract. Can you taste a difference? What do you do with them differently? And which one comes out on top for my family? So vanilla is the seed pod of the vanilla orchid. And while there are 3 different kinds of vanilla, they say that the original vanilla is the Mexican vanilla, and it is where this company is based. Casa Market vanilla is based in Papantla, which is the northern part of Veracruz in Mexico. They work with local farmers to produce their stuff. So when you buy a vanilla bean or a vanilla seed pod, you want it to be plump and fluffy. It is dried because it's cured, but you still want it to have some flex in it. You don't want it to be totally hard and brittle. And you can smell it before you even slice it open. You can use a vanilla bean. These are usually pretty expensive. Because of that, I tend to use vanilla paste and vanilla extract. Some viewers and some followers of my blog have asked me how to use them and if they're different. And I just wanted to say that one bean is substitutable by 1 tablespoon of either vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and these 2 can be used 1-to-1. If you do use the bean, and how you use that is you slice it open and then you scrape out those vanilla seeds. Don't throw the seed pod away even though it's empty. So what I do with that is I put it in a jar and I fill it with some kind of alcohol. Usually it's vodka because that doesn't have a very strong flavor. And then I leave it in here for 12 weeks, and that's sort of my own extract. And you can see there are still some of the seed, vanilla seeds that are in here, but that's what gives this that flavor and color. So I made 2 batches of vanilla pastry cream. One is made with the paste, so it visually has those flecks, and then the other is made with extract, so it's just smooth, uniform color. That's why I have to do a blind taste test, because if my family saw the seeds, they'd automatically know which one was the paste. And I know the question after this taste test is going to be, what are you going to do with all that pastry cream? And I haven't quite decided. I'm either going to fill cream puffs or maybe put them in homemade croissants. I don't know yet. We're going to do a blind taste test with the same recipe, made one with extract, one with paste, to see what my family prefers and if they can tell the difference. So you're going to taste, and then I'll give you a second one, and then you can tell me if you can tell the difference, which one's the paste, which one's the extract, and then which one you like the best. Okay? So, and there's that. Oh, wrong hand.
How do I aim for a mouth?
Really? You can't put it in your mouth without seeing it? So I went through this whole exercise with my family to do a blind taste test and taste the exact same thing, one made with paste, one made with extract, and my idea was that these are 1-to-1 and you use them exactly the same, and the only difference is visual and seeing the seeds in the paste. So I'm going to tell you the conclusion now. I was wrong. We did the taste test, vanilla pastry cream, one with paste, one with extract, and the results were split. So 2 out of the 3 decided one correctly which one was the paste and which one was the extract. The third knew that there was a difference, just misidentified which was which. So they are not the same. They are distinctly discernible, the extract and the paste. 2 preferred the paste and 1 preferred the extract. So the reason the 1 preferred the extract, I think, is why people would prefer extract, is that it's a nostalgic flavor. He actually said it tasted like the tapioca that his Nona used to make for him when he was little. This is the flavor that I think people are used to when they think of vanilla in the extract. The paste is a little bit more subtle, and the third, who just immediately identified the difference between extract and paste, just said hands down he preferred the paste and walked away. So I don't really know why he prefers it, but This came out on top for my family. I know that I prefer this one as well. So they aren't the same. You can use them one to one. I would suggest if you're making something that you want people to taste and for it to be familiar, like a vanilla pudding or a tapioca or maybe their grandmother's favorite vanilla cake recipe, I would go with the extract. But for anything else and for something that is visually going to have the seeds in it, like a buttercream or a pudding, I would definitely go with the paste. When I've heard people use the word vanilla to describe something plain or ordinary or mundane, it really baffles me because vanilla to me is complex and exotic and delicious. So I am focusing on some vanillas that I got from Casa Market. Ani at Quail and Olive in Carmel Valley chooses to carry the Casa Market products because she met them at the specialty food show in San Francisco a couple of years ago. And she was impressed with the fact that they have a relationship with the farmers to make their products. She always will choose to support a small company or a family business versus a large corporation. And I really appreciate that about her and know that whenever she has a product on her shelves, it's curated and of really high quality. So that's Casa Market Vanilla. Hope you enjoyed this video about vanilla bean paste and vanilla bean extract. I'm gonna link to the Casa Market website so you can order these for yourselves, or if you're local to me, Quail and Olive in Carmel Valley carries them. I'm also going to link some suggestions on how to use these, including a homemade cream soda, also the pastry cream that we tasted, and then I will also include the recipe to my profiteroles cream puffs that we'll stuff with that pastry cream. If you like this video, please click like and definitely hit that notification and subscribe bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.